Winter is coming.
But here at TMK we are well prepared and now we have heat. So in the factory on the new side, on the expansion side, we have 3 blowers which have a hot water running inside them, and then you have the blowers which will radiate the heat into the whole of the factory expansion, as well as we have the radiant floor heating as well. The radiant floor heating is not yet on, but the blowers have been now turned on. And here in this heat well that we already had a little glimpse earlier, we have now all the hot pipes coming from the wood chip boiler. And we have also future-proofed the system a little bit. So here we have inlets where we can take the hot water for the possible future expansions as well. So we have thought a little bit to the future as well. On this wall we have the windows installed, which will make sure that when the lights are not on, we still have enough light so you can see where you're walking and not hurt yourself. And behind me here, the offices are taking shape and the windows for them have been installed. The frames are up like you see, and now we're doing the drywalling inside and outside of the framing. Also we have the electrics already run there for the lights and power outlets and so on, as well as the main pipes for the air conditioning. Here on this corner will be the dressing room for the workers who work on this side of the factory, and here they have a toilet so that when nature calls they don't have to run 100 meters that way to the toilet. And then we have here office for the person who makes sure that all the shipping documents and all that stuff gets printed and labeled into the shears and the packages. And here will be a sink to wash your hands, the stairs to go to the second floor, and on top there will be the air conditioning unit, as well as all the electric main components are located there. Then on this corner here we have an office for the production engineer or the production manager. We'll see which one will be moving here. As well as we've been installing hatches to get the smoke out, which are mandatory here in Finland. We have also bought 2 more forklifts, new to us anyway, and they were a little bit higher than we originally anticipated, so we had to make the doorway a little bit higher as well. And now we have the trimmings in there as well. So little by little it gets closer to the start of the production here in this new side as well. What's next? Well, this area is going to be pretty much covered with pallet shelves. So we're waiting for the pallet shelves to arrive, and then we need to start shuffling all this material in and out to make room for the pallet shelves. And after that, here on this wall, we will have the assembly points, and to these frame posts will be installed the new cranes, and for that crane I own assembly point. So those we're waiting for the cranes, and then we can continue the work for the assembly points. The packing area, the shipping area, all the pallet shelves over there, and the cranes and the equipment. We have also the highest level of quality control here at the building site, as the 3rd generation of TMK is here to supervise the building project and how it's going. Tianna, how is it looking so far? So now we'll roll the sleeves and get back to work. We'll see you again in a couple of weeks and see what we've been able to do in the meantime. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.